guys, welcome to my channel. It's Marie J. Francois, and as you can see, I am doing a DIY on this ladder. I don't know if you would call it, it's not really an accessory, but this ladder that I got as a home accessory. I purchased it at Aldi's. I had been looking at them for quite some time, and I watch Aldi's website sometimes to see what type of home things they'll have coming up, which reminds me I need to check what's coming up for this next week. So I decided that I did not want it to stay the light natural color that it was. I don't know what type of the actual term for this type of wood, but I didn't want it to stay that color. If you can look in the video, you see a little bit of how light it was. So what I did was I purchased two colors of stain. I got this one called Kona, which I tried to show you guys, but I didn't realize the lighting was off, or it was too bright. I had to, do what they do on YouTube and angle it a little bit better, but I didn't do that. And I also purchased dark walnut. So if you look at the right side, that one's a little bit darker than the left leg. And the reason being is because the left had just the dark walnut and the right had the Kona, but I went over the Kona with the dark walnut, and then that's when I decided, okay, this is the color that I actually want. So I'm going to paint the entire ladder like that. The ladder's from Aldi's, like I said. The paint is from Walmart, and so is the stain brush. It was fairly easy. If you guys are wondering a few things, just stay tuned and enjoy. So right here, I'm just going to get up and move because I have gotten higher on the ladder as far as the painting goes. So I'm going to move over to the wall. And if you guys are wondering why I'm painting inside, if there is anyone wondering why, let me just be honest with you guys. The weather wasn't that great outside, and I just did not want to go out there. So continue watching, enjoy the process. So I actually stopped painting here because I had reached the top at the back and I did not want the sides to get messed up, as you can see. And then here I am, as this is after I've already painted the top of the back side, and now I'm trying to figure out, okay, where is this going to go in the bathroom? Don't mind that the door is moving. It does that for whatever reason. But yeah, I painted the back side, the top back side, and I'm just fiddling with this picture to see how I like the steps. This is, you can't see everything. This is actually going into the guest bathroom. Probably should have told you guys that. Eventually I'll probably get another ladder so that I can put it maybe in the living room for like the throws and stuff, little blankets and stuff for movie nights or whenever the kids just want to wear them. So I decided to take down this old picture that I had. It's not really an old picture, but to take down that picture and move everything to this wall instead. So that's basically what I'm doing here. So I purchased these towels at Walmart. They were all under $2 each. I think one of them was like 47 cents. So I was like, I want to do my project this weekend, so why not? So here I was just trying to figure out which style I wanted to go with, and the last one is what I chose to go with. Thanks for watching, guys.